Hello my dear students. Today we will solve exercise 3.3, the remaining part of the exercise 3.3 from the textbook of CBSE board NCERT Mathematics of grade 6. The first question I have already solved in my last video. You can go through it. Now we will continue from the second question. And the second question is, using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 by 8. Okay. Now we have to check from the given numbers which number is divisible by 4 and divisible by 8. And I have explained about divisibility rule in my previous video. You can go through it. In detail I have explained in that video. Okay. The link is there in the description. Now, as per the rule of divisibility by 4, it says that we have to check the number formed by the last two digit is a multiple of 4 of what? If it is multiple of 4, then that whole number is divisible by 4. And if it is not, then that number is not divisible by 4. Okay. So, let's write the first number, that is 572. Okay. As I have said now only that we have to check the last two digit. Here we are getting the number by last two digit is 72. Now we have to check whether this number is a multiple of 4 of what. So for that we will divide that number directly by 4. Okay. So 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 gives 3. 2 came down. So 4 eights are 32. As we are getting here 0 as a remainder, means the number is a multiple of 4. Therefore, the whole number 572 is divisible by 4. Okay. Now, as per the rule of divisibility by 8, we have to check the number formed by the last three digit is a multiple of 8 of what. Okay. So, for that, we can divide directly that last three digit number by 8. So here the last three digit is the number only 572. So we will directly divide this 572 by 8. Okay. So 8 sevens are 56. 57 minus 56 is 1. 2 came down. 8 ones are 8. It gives the remainder as 4. As we are not getting 0 as the remainder, means the number is not completely divided by 8. So, it is not divisible by 8. Okay. Now, let's move to the second number, that is 7,26,352. Now, as per the rule of divisibility by 4, we have to check the last two digit, and that is 52. Let's divide this 52 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 gives 1. 2 came down. 4 threes are 12. As we are getting here 0 as a remainder, 52 is a multiple of 4. Therefore, the number is divisible by 4. Okay. Now, for 8, we will divide the number formed by last three digit, that is 352 by 8. Okay. So, 8 fours are 32. 35 minus 32 gives 3. 2 came down. 8 fours are 32 again. So, we are getting here 0 as a remainder. Therefore, the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay. Now, let's move to the third one, that is 5,500. Now, we have to check the number formed by the last two digit, and that is 0. And everyone knows that 0 is a multiple of each and every number. Therefore, the number 5,500 is divisible by 4. Now, for 8, we have to check the number formed by last three digits, and that is 500. So, let's divide 500 by 8. So, 8 6 are 48. 50 minus 48 gives 2. 0 came down. 8 2s are 16. As we are getting here remainder as 4. Therefore, the number is not divisible by 8. Okay. Now, let's move to the next number, that is 6,000. Now, here again we are getting the number formed by last two digit is 0. As we know 0 is a multiple of 4. Therefore, the number 6,000 is divisible by 4. Now, we are getting the last three digit number is 0 only. As we know 0 is also multiple of 8. Therefore, the number 6,000 is divisible by 8. Okay. Now let's move to the next number, that is 12,159. Now we have to check the number formed by the last two digits, that is 59. Let's divide it by 4. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 gives 1. 9 came down. 4 fours are 16. 19 minus 16 gives 3. As we are getting here remainder, means the 59 is not multiple of 4. Therefore, the number is not divisible by 4. Now we will check the number formed by the last three digits, and that is 159. Let's divide this number by 8. So 8 ones are 8. 15 minus 8 gives 7. 9 came down. 8 nines are 72. As we are getting here remainder, the number is not divisible by 8 also. Okay. Now let's move to the next number, that is 14,560. Now let's divide the number formed by last two digits, that is 60 by 4. Okay. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 gives 2. 0 came down. 4 fives are 20. As we are getting here 0 as a remainder, the number is multiple of 4. Therefore, the whole number is divisible by 4. Okay. Now let's check the number formed by last three digits, that is 560. Let's divide it by 8. 8 sevens are 56. 56 minus 56, 0. 0 came down. 8 zeros are 0. As we are getting here 0 as a remainder, the number is divisible by 8. Okay. Now let's move to the next one, that is 21,084. Now here we are getting 84, which is formed by last two digits. So let's divide this number by 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 came down. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. As we are getting here 0 as a remainder, 84 is a multiple of 4. Okay. Therefore, the number is divisible by 4. Now, let's check the number formed by last three digits, that is 084. So, let's divide this 084 means 84 only. Okay. So, let's divide this 84 by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 4 came down. 8 zeros are 0 because the 4 is not present in the table of 8, right? So 8 zeros are 0. So 4 came down. As we are getting remainder as 4, the number is not divisible by 8. Okay. Now let's move to the next number. That is this one. It is too big. So no worry. We have to check the number formed by last two digits, and that is 72. Let's divide this 72 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 gives 3. 2 came down. 4 8s are 32. 32 minus 32, 0. As we are getting 0 as a remainder, 72 is a multiple of 4. Therefore, the whole number is divisible by 4. Okay. Now, let's check for 8. We have to find the number formed by last three digits, that is 072. Means 72 only. Let's divide 72 by 8. Yeah, we know that 8 nines are 72. So, the 72 is a multiple of 8. Therefore, the number is divisible by 8. Okay. Now, let's move to the next one. That is 1700. As we know, 0 is a multiple of 4. Therefore, the number is divisible by 4. Okay. Now, we have to check the number formed by last three digits. That is 700. Let's divide this 700 by 8. 8 8s are 64. 70 minus 64 gives 6. 0 came down. 8 7s are 56. We are getting 4 as a remainder. Therefore, the number is not divisible by 8. Okay. Now, let's move to the next number. That is 2150. We have to check the number formed by last two digits. That is 50. Let's divide 50 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 gives 1. 0 came down. 4 twos are 8. Here we are getting remainder as a 2. Therefore, 50 is not multiple of 4. Therefore, the number is not divisible by 4. Okay. Now, let's check the number formed by last three digits. That is 150. Let's divide this by 8. 8 ones are 8. 15 minus 8 gives 7. 0 came down. 8 8s are 64. here we are getting remainder, means the whole number is not divisible by 8. Okay. Now here we checked all number and we got the answer as the number A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I. These numbers are divisible by 4, and the number B, D, F, H. These 4 numbers are divisible by 8. Okay. Now let's move to the third question. The third question is, using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. And the divisibility rule by 6 says that if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6. So to check the divisibility for 6, we have to check first it is divisible by 2 and 3 or no. Okay. So let's take the first number, that is 2,97,144. To check whether this number is divisible by 2, we have to check the last digit, that is 4, and that is even number, means the number is even number, therefore the number is divisible by 2, because even numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. Now for 3, we have to find the sum of the digits, and if the sum of the digit is a multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So let's add the digits. We are getting sum as 27, and we know that 27 is a multiple of 3. Therefore the number is divisible by 3. As the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, the number is divisible by 6. Okay. Now let's move to the second number, that is 1258. Now let's check whether this number is even number. Yeah, unit place has 8, means the number is even number, therefore the number is divisible by 2. Okay. Now let's add the digit to check whether it is divisible by 3. So it is giving the sum as 16, and 16 is not a multiple of 3. Therefore the number is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. Therefore the number is not divisible by 6. Okay. Now let's check the third number, that is 4,335. Let's check its unit place, that is 5. As it is odd number, the number is odd number. Okay. Therefore the number is not divisible by 2. Now let's add the digits. We are getting sum as 15, and 15 is a multiple of 3, therefore it is divisible by 3. But as it is not divisible by 2, the number is not divisible by 6. Okay. Now let's move to the fourth one, that is 61,233. Here also we have 3 on its unit place, means the number is odd number. Therefore the number is not divisible by 2. Now let's add the digits. We are getting the sum as 15, and 15 is a multiple of 3, therefore it is divisible by 3. But as it is not divisible by 2, the number is not divisible by 6. Now let's move to the fifth one, that is 9,01,352. First we have to check its unit place. Yeah, we have even number, means the number is divisible by 2. Now let's add the digits. We are getting the sum as 20, and 20 is not multiple of 3. Therefore the number is not divisible by 3. As it is not divisible by 3, the number is not divisible by 6. Now let's move to the F1, that is 4,38,715. As here we have 0 on its unit place, the number is even number. Therefore the number is divisible by 2. Now for 3 we have to add the digits. We are getting sum as 27, and 27 is a multiple of 3. Therefore it is divisible by 3. As it is divisible by both 2 and 3, the number is divisible by 6. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. Here, as the number is even number, because unit place has even digit, therefore the number is divisible by 2. Now let's add the digits. We are getting the sum as 30, and 30 is a multiple of 3. Therefore it is divisible by 3 also. As the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, the number is divisible by 6. Okay. Now let's move to the next number, that is 12,583. Here we have 3 on its unit place, means the number is odd number. So the number is not divisible by 2. Now let's check for divisibility by 3. So for that we are adding here the digits. We are getting the number as 19, and 19 is not a multiple of 3. Therefore the number is not divisible by 3. As it is not divisible by both the number 2 and 3, the number is not divisible by 6. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. Here it is. As here we have 0 on its unit place, means it is an even number. Therefore, the number is divisible by 2. Now for 3 we will add the digits. We are getting the answer as 21, and 21 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, the number is divisible by 3. Therefore, the number is divisible by 6 too. Okay. So let's move to the next one. That is 17,852. Here we have 2 on its unit place, means the number is even number. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. Let's add the digits. We are getting the answer as 23, and 23 is not a multiple of 3. Therefore, it is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. Therefore, the number is not divisible by 6. So, we finish by checking all the numbers. So, we got the answer as the numbers A, F, G, I. These 4 numbers are divisible by 6, and remaining numbers are not divisible by 6. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. That is 4th one. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. Okay. As I have explained in my previous video, that divisible by 11 says that some of the digits present on odd places and some of the digits present on even places. First we have to find them, and then we have to find the difference between them. If the difference is 0 or multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. Okay. So the first number here, it is 5445. Okay. So according to the divisibility rule, first we have to find the sum of the digits present on odd places, and those are 5 and 4. So let's add them. 5 plus 4 gives 9. Okay. Now we have to find the sum of the digits present on even places, and those are 4 and 5. So let's add. 4 plus 5 gives 9. Now we have to find the difference between these sums. That is 9 minus 9 gives 0. As we are getting 0 is a multiple of each and every number, means 0 is a multiple of 11 also. Therefore, the difference is multiple of 11. Therefore, the number is divisible by 11. Okay. Now let's move to the B1. That is 10,824. As per the rule, we have to find the sum of the digits present on odd places, and that is 184. Okay, gives us the answer as 13. Now let's find the sum of the digits present on even places, and those are 0 and 2. So 0 plus 2 gives 2. Now let's find the difference. Difference is 13 minus 2 gives 11. And 11 is a multiple of 11. Therefore, the number is divisible by 11. Okay. Now let's move to the third one. This one. Okay. As per the rule, let's find the sum of the digits present on odd places, and those are 7395 gives us the answer as 24. Now we have to find the sum of the digits present on even places, and those are 186. When we will add them, we are getting the answer as 15. Let's find the difference. Difference is 24 minus 15 gives us 9. As 9 is not a multiple of 11, the number is not divisible by 11. Okay. Now let's move to the next number. Here it is. First we have to find the sum of the digits present on odd places, and those are 7, 1, 9 and 0. When we will add them, we are getting the answer as 17. Okay. Now we have to find the sum of the digits present on even places, and those are 0, 6, 3 and 8. When we will add them, we are getting the answer as 17. Now we have to find the difference. Difference is 17 minus 17 gives 0. As 0 is a multiple of 11. Therefore, the number is divisible by 11. Okay. It's easy. Just we have to understand it. Okay. Now, fifth one. That is very big number. Okay. Let's find the sum of the digits present on odd places, and those are 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. sorry, 1000. Okay, it is giving answer as 1. Now we have to find the sum of the digits present on even places, and those are 0001. Okay, when we will add them, we are getting the answer as 1. So let's find the difference is 1 minus 1 gives 0. Okay, as difference is multiple of 11, therefore the number is divisible by 11. Okay, now let's move to the next number. Here it is. As per the rule, let's find the sum of the digits present on odd places are 9, 1, 5. Okay, when we will add them, I'll getting the answer as 15. Now we have to find the sum of the digits present on even places, and those are 0, 1, 3. It is giving the answer as 4, and the difference is 15 minus 4 is 11, and difference is a multiple of 11, therefore the number is divisible by 11. Okay, so the final answer for this question is the numbers A, B, D, E, F. These are divisible by 11. Okay, so now let's move to the fifth question, and that is write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. We have to find the digit when we put that digit in the blank space. Okay, then the number which will get formed should get divisible by 3. Okay, so let's write first the number, that is dash 6724. Okay, as per the rule of divisibility by 3 says that if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So let's add the digits which we have. So dash plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. Okay, gives us the answer as dash plus 19. Why I have written the dash? Because that is blank space. We don't know which number is there. Okay, so first we found that 19 is the sum of the remaining digits. Okay, so let's check in the multiple of 3. See here, above 19 we have to check now. Okay, because if we add any number, we are getting the number which is above 19. Okay, above 19 we have these many multiples. So to get 21 as the answer, we should add 2. To get 24 we have to add 5 in the 19. To get 27 we have to add 8. We can't get 30 because to get 30 we have to add 2-digit numbers. So these 3 possibilities are there to get a multiple of 3. So the number where the blank space is there now, there must be 3 of these from these 3 numbers only one of the number should be there. And they have told us to find smallest digit and greatest digit. So here the smallest digit is 2 and the greatest digit is 8, right? Therefore the number must be 2 or 8. So the number should be 26,724 or 86,724. Okay, now let's check for the second one. That is 4765-2. Okay, now here again same rule we have to use. We have to add the digits which we have. So we are getting the answer as dash plus 24. Okay, so let's check in the multiple of 3. See here, above 24. 24 is also a multiple of 3. Okay, so above 24 there are these many numbers which are multiple of 3. So to get 24 we have to add 0, right? 24 plus 0 gives 24. Next, to get 27 we have to add 3. To get 30 we have to add 6. To get 33 we have to add 9. Above that we can't find because to get the next multiple we have to add 2-digit number, and we don't want to add 2-digit number. So here we have 4 possibilities and they have told us to find smallest and greatest digit. So here 0 is the smallest and 9 is the greatest digit. Therefore the number must be this one. 4,76,502 or 4,76,592. Okay, now let's move to the next question, that is sixth one. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following number so that the number formed is divisible by 11. Now this question is same as the previous question. Just we have to use here the divisibility rule for 11. Okay. So let's write the first number that is 92-389. Okay. Now, as per the rule of divisibility by 11, we have to first find the sum of the digits present on odd places, and those are 9-8. Okay. So 9 plus dash plus 8 gives us the answer as 17 plus dash. There is some number is there, okay, where dash is written. That we have to find out. Now let's find the sum of the digits present on even places, that is 2, 3, 9. So 2 plus 3 plus 9 gives us the answer as 14. Now we have to find the difference, right? But we don't have one digit, right? So what we will do, we will first find the difference between these two numbers, that is 17 and 14. The difference is 17 minus 14 gives 3. Now as we have the number which we have to put, the digit is present in the first part of the difference, therefore we have to add that digit. Okay. Now to find that digit, we have to use the digit 0 to 9, right? So we have to find the digit which will give you the answer as 11. Means 11 is a multiple of 11, right? So we can't get 0 as the answer. We will get the multiple of 11 only. So as we know, 3 plus 8 is 11. Therefore the number must be 8. Okay, the digit must be 8. So the number we will get, which will form by putting the 8, is 9,28,389. We can cross check it. Okay. So let's cross check. First we have to find the sum of the digits present on odd places, that is 9. 8 plus 8 gives us the answer as 25. And sum of the digits present on even places, that is 2, 3, 9 gives us the answer as 14. So when we find difference, we are getting the answer as 11, which is multiple of 11. Therefore the number is 8 only. The digit is 8 only. Okay. Then only we are getting the number which is divisible by 11. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Next number. That is 8-9484. Okay. As per the rule, let's find sum of the digits present on odd places, and that is 898 is giving the answer as 25. Now find the sum of the digits present on even places, that is dash plus 4 plus 4. Okay, it gives the answer as dash plus 8. Now we have to find the difference. As I told before, only we have to find the difference which we have the numbers. Okay, difference is 25 minus 8 gives 17. As the missing digit is present in the second part of the difference, so we have to subtract that digit. Okay, now we have to find the number present from the 0 to 9. We have to find the digit which we can put there to get the difference as 11. Okay, so as we know, 17 minus 6 gives 11, so the number must be 6. Okay, so the number formed is 8,69,484. We can cross check it. Okay, let's cross check. So first we will find some of the digits present on odd places, and those are 8 plus 9 plus 8 gives 25. Some of the digits present on even places, that is 6 plus 4 plus 4 gives us the answer as 14. When we subtract them, we are getting the answer as 11, and 11 is the multiple of 11, means the number is divisible by 11. Therefore the digit must be 6. Okay. Here we finish our exercise 3.3. If you like my teaching, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt regarding these questions, you can ask me. Okay. Bye everyone.